While Connect for Mobile provides the most seamless experience for using your cellular phone with your business phone system, you can also use External Assignment by clicking your name within the Connect client on your computer and selecting External Assignment Number. Create a label and then add your phone number. Be sure to prepend your area code and phone number with a 9 and a 1. You can adjust the ring settings if you'd like, and then be sure to select Press 1 to connect. If you choose Automatically Connect, your cellular voicemail may answer the call, and the caller may hear personal information that's on your personal cell phone number. When you no longer want to use the external assignment, within the Connect client on your computer, again, click on your name, and then simply click Desk Phone. Now calls will be rerouted to your phone as usual.
For more helpful information and videos, please visit www.visible-it.com.